The last few days have been so crazy busy. I've had several listings of multiple offers, backup offers. It's been amazing for my clients. I love it when there's so much success and what I'm able to do like for them and with them. It makes me so happy. And then when there's these little quiet moments and all the paperwork is filed and I'm getting this little spot where it's like, okay, I've got a few minutes for me. What do? I create, and I get into my house, and I love to just redo my spaces and brighten them up. And this is one of my favorite areas. I get ready here every single morning. Legitimately use this side of the bathroom. I wasn't sure when we did our full bathroom renovation whether I would end up regretting that I would have wished that I'd put storage there, but actually I use it every day and I love it. So I'm really glad that we did the double vanity on the other side and reserved this just for me. I don't ever have to share, and I love that. Although I will say that my youngest loves to sit here on the mornings before school, and he'll watch Ninjago on the iPad and eat his breakfast, so I do have to share, but he's so cute, I can't say no. Let me show you my inspiration. I was at Tom Ford. Okay, so they have the most beautiful Tom Ford location in Atlanta now, in Buckhead, and the store was so pretty and it was so glamorous and I loved it, and I treated myself to 2 lipsticks. And so this is kind of where my inspiration came from, because there's just, I don't know, it's a little bit, I don't know, maybe it's a little bit bad girl. Do you think maybe that's what it is? I think maybe I just need a little bit of a bad girl vibe, you know? I'm a good girl, I follow all the laws, I do all the right things, I treat people nice, but every now and then I think you just need a little bit of edge. And so I think a red lipstick, and then, you know, a little deep dark burgundy. I just think this is what I want. I want to bring this sort of edgy glamour into this space. And if you're wondering, this is Best Revenge. Oh my God, I love that. Oh my God. This one is called Ingrid, and it's gorgeous. These colors stay on amazingly. And so that's just an extra tip for today. And let's clear this area out because I'm ready to get painted. Let's go. A lot of you have asked me how I redo my furniture, and I wanted to show you just how simple it is, that I don't have a magical formula. I just slap paint on it more or less. It's highly unprofessional, so you probably don't want to do it the way that I do it. But actually, I get a lot of people asking me, and I want to show you that actually it's really easy to do. Today I'm using Space Black by Behr. I love this paint because it's not a really harsh black, but it's really soft, and it's got a lot of gray undertones, and it's got a little bit of blue in it, so it's not so stark. I'm using satin finish because it's got a little bit of a gloss on it, which is really great for furniture that you don't want to have a super distressed look. If you're wanting a more distressed look, matte works. I think the main thing is that I really like the Behr, the marquee stuff, because it's nice and thick, and it puts a really good coat down. Okay, so for my paintbrush, you can see I've used this a bazillion times, and I'm not super neat apparently with cleaning them off, but it's got lots of layers, lots of grays. This is a Wooster brush. It's a nylon polyester blend, and it's nothing fancy. That's all I use, so let's get started. A lot of times I'll roll these larger sections, but you don't have to. And the main thing is just to make sure that you don't put too much on at one time. Don't get impatient and start piling it all on there. And don't have a bunch of lines. If I see like a part that looks kind of gloopy like this, then I'll just kind of thin it out until it looks good. And start over and then go up to the top, and there we go. Now I'm thinking maybe I could have gone darker on this, but we'll see how it turns out. And I can always add another coat of paint because nothing is permanent. Except paint. It is kind of permanent, but you can always paint over it. So really should be sure that you're sure before you paint something, and then off you go. I typically use a roller for this top part just because it helps me get nice clean lines. Haley is helping me remove the drawer fronts so we can get a nice clean coat on the front of those as well. So we're in between coats, and the first thing I did was I saran wrapped everything that keeps your paintbrush sealed so that you don't have to rinse it off and it doesn't dry out. That is a tip that one of my friends gave me, and it has been a lifesaver. It's been amazing. And we ran to Target, and I should have taken you guys with me. I don't know why I didn't think about it, but I left you at home. So found these really cute, fun towels, And let's see, I got some extra picture frames and a couple options for drawer liners. I'm not sure if any of these are gonna work out, but we're gonna try them because the insides are just kind of boring. So why not have some fun? So gotta get that second coat on so it has time to dry so I can actually get this thing decorated today. Technically I should wait an extra day, but I'm impatient, so we'll see how it goes. All right, back to painting. These are all removable wallpapers, which I thought would be really fun because they have a sticky back, and that would be really cute inside these drawers. I was afraid though that this pattern is too big because you're only gonna see part of it. What do you think?
I think it might be too big.
Too big? It's so cute. So they sell it like it's stripes, but it's actually just the blue, and I guess you're supposed to paint the wall underneath. Yeah. So that won't work because then it's like not the right size at all. That would be so cute in there, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
All right, hold up one of the drawers.
God, that's cute.
Oh, Bluey. All right, hold up one of the drawers. What do you guys think? Is that cute? See, in that drawer. Oh, magic. Oh, I always hate cutting these things, so I'm gonna measure and then I'm going to draw the line and then cut and then apply. But it is nice that it's removable, so hopefully I can manage to get it in there and it look cute. And I've got lots of extras, which means there will probably be another project that comes out of this. All right, let's do it. All turned out better than I thought. Oh, hey, come on in here.
Hey.
Come look what I did while you were at work today.
I'm so sorry I interrupted you.
What do you think?
This looks amazing. I am blown away at this.
Yeah, see, I told you I should paint it.
I know.
You
Anytime-
and like so many people try to talk me out of painting it, and now I'm like, ugh.
I'm learning a big lesson. Anytime I tell her something, it's wrong. Because I told you so many times, I'm like, you shouldn't paint it. And I come in and
Yeah.
it literally blows me away.
Yeah.
So there's video proof now that,
Yeah.
yes, you're right and I'm wrong.
Well, we all knew that, but do you like it?
Yes, I do a lot. It's amazing.
We gave the bathroom a little bit of a black and white, little bit of a lift.
No, I love
I
it.
got started with this and then I just worked my way around the room. I couldn't stop. So
Yeah.
it feels a little edgier. There's a little bit more contrast and I don't know, it feels just a little bit more rock and roll.
I love it.
Just a little bit more glam.
Yeah.
I'm so pleased.
I
I'm
am
so
too.
pleased. Yes.
Good job.
Yay.
I love it.
Now we get to have our coffee because I've earned it because I've been painting all day and decorating.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't need coffee for that. That makes me super happy. And I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope that you've seen that simply painting one piece can change a whole room and just a few little accessories and you have a whole new space and it doesn't even have to cost you a lot of money. So be sure to visit us at housevalentina.com and see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Oh my gosh, you gotta come look at what I did inside. Look inside! Look how pretty this is. I lined it.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Why are you laughing like that?
Because I love the fact that
Look
that
how
you are
pretty it
so
is.
buttoned up with what you do. That you think through every detail.
Look how
Oh, that was
pretty it
amazing.
is. That is removable wallpaper that I found at Target.
Oh my gosh.
I know, and it looks so pretty with my makeup, doesn't
It
it?
does look, it looks great.
Yes. And maybe I'll even be willing to burn my comments.